In this video, you're going to learn how you can count the length of each word inside a string. So before we start, press that like and subscribe button to give me the energy to create more videos like this. Let's start by creating a function. I want to call it words length. Let's set it equal to a function, and we are going to get a text. This piece of text is going to be processed, and we're going to count the length of each word of this text. Now before we start writing our code, let's just console.log our function, and we are going to give it a text of like and subscribe. Now inside our function, the first thing that I want to do, I want to separate each word from each other. Well, in order to do that, we need an array to store all of our words. So let's create one. I'll say const words, and to separate each word, we can use text.split. Now inside our split, we need to set a character to split the text to. And the character here for us is space. Now if I just return the words, so you can see how it works, inside my browser you can see that it's returning each word separately inside an array. Now that we have each word separately, we need to count the length of each word. And to do that, I want to create another array. Let's call it words length, and set it equal to an empty array. And inside this array, I want to store the length of each word. Now to process each word of our words, I want to use a for each. You can use map for arrays, but I'm going to use a for each. So we use words.for each, then the parentheses, and inside this parentheses, we need to create a function. So let's just open and close two parentheses again and set an arrow function. Now this function gets a parameter, let's just call it word, and this parameter is gonna be the value that is being processed in our array. Now I just need to store the length of each word inside our words length. So let's do that. We say words length dot push, and here we say word dot length. Now we want to return the word length as well. If I save, and let's go see how it works. So here we are getting the length of each word of our string. Now I also want to add the text before the number so we know which word has this length. And it is so simple because we have the word here. The only thing I want to do is to say word plus, and let's add another string here. So I will say another plus, and inside here I will add two double quotations, and here I will say equal to. If we save and go refresh, now you can see that it's working fine and we are getting each word with the length of it. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.